In this video, we're going to add some foreign currencies. Your company may deal in foreign currencies from time to time. So let's go to Settings, click on Currencies, click on Foreign Currencies. And we're going to add a new foreign currency. So we need a code, we need a name, we need a symbol. And let's take, for example, you dealing in the Chinese yuan. Sometimes we want to put the code up here. That'll be the CNY. And we'll name it. And the symbol, may have to Google it to get it. I did. There's this little character here. And it has 2 decimal places like the dollar, so we're going to leave it at 2. We're going to create. And let's say you also deal in euros from time to time. So let's do that one. Let's give it the code. EURO. Excuse me. EUR. And the name is Euro. And its symbol is this weird character here. Google it to get it. And it also has 2 decimal places. There we have it. If you look, we have those new foreign currencies set up. And that's really all there is to it. To set up a foreign currency in manager.io. If this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You'll really help this channel out, and it costs you nothing. And I thank you in advance, and you have a good day.